We are saying goodbye to our pension, our private room in Portomarin. This is what Portomarin looks like. Our accommodation is right on the top. The lake is right there, or the river. I'm getting confused with the two. The river is right down there. And either you can go back and re-walk over there, or we're taking the other way. We're just gonna go here and meet the path for the Camino. Good morning. It is now day 4 or day 5. I'm getting confused now. Day 5 of my walk to Camino. I think we have 4 walking days to Santiago de Compostela. And our goal today is to walk, I think, 24 kilometers or 25 to Palas de Rei. Palas de Rei, we're staying in an albergue right there. And yeah, really great day. Nice chilly morning, but always good. Forecast is sunny, so we welcome that. And it's 7 degrees today. So I hope you're having a good day. Thank you so much for coming along in this journey and for watching the videos. I really appreciate all of you and praying for all of you. And yeah, let's go for a walk and finish Santiago together. But today we're gonna walk to Palas de Rei. So Buen Camino, everybody. Seven kilometers to Santiago. It's road walking from Portomarin. But it's safe here because you're right here on the side. In Galicia are just so beautiful. So there is a rest area here. We've been walking for 6.6 kilometers, so it's a good area for break. The road is on the other side. We just had our breakfast here. It's our menu. We're fueled up. There's a big rush of pilgrims that just came, and we came from Portomarin and we're making our way to Palas de Rei. Okay, Ate, how was breakfast?
Oh, breakfast was yummy. I had hot dog, French fries, my bread and butter, coffee and juice. Oh my god!
And donuts.
It's a big meal.
And donuts.
And 2 bites of donuts. That's really nice.
How are you feeling? How's day 1?
Yesterday was great. I only felt, the leg pain at the end. It was okay. And then everything went away. You just needed a good rest.
Nice.
And I woke up refreshed.
And she's walking again.
I know.
That's a great sign.
I was actually expecting that it will be harder for this morning, but no. I feel refreshed.
Nice.
So,
a pure pilgrim.
Good sleep is important. Maybe the wine helped. It made me sleep well.
You finished the entire picture.
Yeah. You know, actually, I thought I slept like already 6 hours, and then I checked my phone. What time is it? It was only like 2 o'clock.
Oh wow! So it means you had a really good deep sleep. That's good.
Because it's time to wake up yet. But no, oh gosh, I still have 4 hours.
So today we are going to be staying in an albergue. We just had a private room, and we wanted my sister-in-law to have an experience of different kind of accommodations so she'll have an idea. So for the past 2 nights, she's been staying in a private room. Yeah. So we have an albergue this time, but we're pretty easy on her because we're not doing municipal albergue. It's a private albergue. Sorry. So we're looking forward to that. The update is that we've been walking for about 7 kilometers for almost 2 hours, right, Dad?
We did it for like 2 hours.
Yeah, and we caught the sunrise. We just had a stop at the cafe, and now we're fueled up and we're ready for our next stop again. Next cafe. So for this Camino, so my sister-in-law opted to do the luggage transport for today, and we paid €4. So what I did as well is I gave her some of my toiletries, so my bag is a little bit lighter. And that's the thing about the Camino, like you walk your own Camino, you want to finish this, to Santiago strong and healthy. So if it helps for you to transfer your luggage, do so. And it's affordable, like it's not expensive, and also in a good way you're supporting the local businesses, and they appreciate that. So we do have options. There are cabs, there's buses that you can take. So if you're having a challenging time, you do have options to walk the Camino. The walk from Sarria to Santiago de Compostela is beautiful, the last 100 kilometers. Though there's more crowd, of course, it's busy, but it's just nature, the birds, the trees, it's just, the path is just beautiful, and it's, well positioned, like it's safer because again, a lot of pilgrims walk this path, so it's a really good walk despite the number of pilgrims. In a short distance, there's another cafe here. Cafe Bar Pension. I don't see the sign, but we do have options in case you want to space it up. This is the albergue Portis. Small church here. The name of this town. This town is Iglesia de Castro Mayor. There's a lot of abandoned houses here in Galicia. Always remember to look back, especially when you're going uphill. At 9.5 kilometers in, you will be hit with a steep incline. On the top is the 82-kilometer mark. Just take your time, but the view is rewarding as always. You got this, Ate. This view kind of like reminds me of the Hospitales route, but the mountains in Primitivo are much higher, but same rewarding experience once you reach the top. Look at the flowers, they're just growing from the ground. That is just so cool. We see lots of pilgrims over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a big traffic. Pilgrims. Nice view. Came from there. It's just beautiful. And lots of pilgrims ahead of us. If there's an option to take this path, I always choose it compared to the rocky ones. This is much more softer on your feet. Oh my gosh, there's many pilgrims ahead of us. Wow. Pilgrims crossing. We're joining the big crowd. Francis, this way. We're 80 kilometers away from Santiago. We need to cross the bridge. There's also another cafe right here. We'd like to stop. Hair is up. We just crossed the bridge. And one observation here in Sarria is because there's so many pilgrims, people just kind of like walking past you. Of course, it's not mandatory to say Buen Camino, but it's just like really nice to, you know, take a moment to look people in the eye and then just say, hi, buen dia, buenos dias, Buen Camino.
Buenos dias, buen
So
camino.
for me, I'm very deliberate in doing that. And they kind of like, oh, hi. They respond back. So I think when you're walking from Sarria or in busy routes, you know, still take a moment to, you know, say hi and hello to people and not just focus on walk. Because, you know, the spirit of Camino is about, you know, camaraderie and about meeting people as well. So I just thought I would mention that. Here is a tip for you. Because on the Camino Francés, the sun is behind you. If you're wearing shorts, use your windbreaker. And my windbreaker has UPF, so it gives sun protection. And just tie it on your waist, and it covers at the back if you're wearing shorts. So that's very helpful. Otherwise, you'll get sunburn. We are entering the town of Larsa. It's 12.6 kilometers. We're walking for 3 hours now. Beautiful town. Small village. There's also taxis waiting in case you're tired or you're injured. There is an option to take a cab. So we've been walking for 14.8 kilometers, 3.5 hours. I can use a break. I hope they stop for coffee. I think they keep on going. They don't like to take breaks. So we made a coffee stop right here. Yay, much needed. How was the coffee break out there?
Huh?
How was the coffee break?
What coffee break? I didn't have
Oh, yeah. How was the rest stop?
chocolate break. It was much needed.
Much needed. This is a long stretch of road walking, and the first restaurant is right over there. So it's good to have a break. So here's our update. 14.8 kilometers. We're 2 hours away from our accommodation. So we should be there at around 2:30. Kaya pa, ate?
Kayang-kaya.
Ang lakas ni ate, ha? Palas de Rei. bikers, if you're biking the Camino, please, make some noise and remind the pilgrims that are walking that you're coming. Those pilgrims almost got hit because we can't hear you when you're biking. So let's avoid some accidents here. Once you see this part, basically this is like Palas de Rei. This is brutal, this road. Here's my feet. But Palas de Rei is beautiful as you enter the town. That's the albergue, and it's just behind the church, which is right there. So this is the albergue San Marcos. It's really nice and clean. I think it's brand new, and we're so lucky. We have a twin bed for my sister. You're well treated. You're spoiled for your first Camino, and we have a bunk bed here. There's 2, 4, 6, 7, and that's what happens when you arrive early. Is you get to pick your bunk beds. So you're happy, Ate? You approve? You approve, Ate? Happy?
Yeah, I like
yes. Let's check their washroom. So this is the female washroom. Wow, great facilities. That's the shower area. Right there. And this is their toilet area. Oops, I'm crazy. Hi! And they have some body wash. So this is their laundry area. They have 3 euros for dryer and 4 for wash. And they have a big machine. They're huge. It's the lobby. And this is their kitchen that you can cook. Right here. Nice facilities.
I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, try